Let's have it that you are someone that is very busy. Aside that, you are someone that is running a business all by yourself. And in addition, you are a family person that is always trying to make time for your family. And on top of all these, you also would want to create a YouTube channel where you would love to talk about things you really care about. And with all these, we all know how much of your time will be consumed, even if starting a YouTube channel is not in the picture. To be sincere with you, anybody that started their YouTube channel in this exact situation and is to be honest with you would admit to you that their channel never saw any growth until they changed something. What at all did they change? I'll certainly be telling you what they changed later on in this video. But before then, I'm going to be sharing with you how to build your YouTube channel whilst working full time. The key to growing up your YouTube channel is not about putting in so many hours and effort, but it's about knowing exactly where to put your effort so you can get the best of results. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down step by step on how you can build your YouTube channel even if you are already working a full-time job until your YouTube channel becomes successful and a business on its own. But before we start, support this channel by giving this video a like. That's certainly your way of encouraging me to keep making videos of this kind. If this is the first time of you seeing this channel, we frequently upload videos on YouTube growth. If it's something of your interest, then consider subscribing to this channel to be part of our amazing community of subscribers. When you are starting out your YouTube channel and you are already a full-time worker, you treat YouTube as something you will do at your convenient time. And treating YouTube like this only slows down the rapid growth of your channel. So anybody that started YouTube and became successful whilst having a full-time job change his or her approach to YouTube. So first of all, to start YouTube whilst having a full-time job, you certainly need to change your identity or perception about YouTube. If you have a perception where you decide when to upload videos and when not to upload videos, or you decide to make videos when you feel like it, that has to change. Having a business and working full-time certainly means that you're a busy person, and YouTube too takes a lot of time. But there are systems and processes you can put in place that will enable you successfully run your business and your YouTube channel that will eventually become a business. So it is possible for your YouTube channel to be successful whilst you run a full-time job. So in shifting your identity and perception about your YouTube channel, you need to understand that your YouTube channel is equally as important as your business. Just like the way you are committed to your full-time job or your business is the same way you need to be committed to your YouTube channel. The mistake business owners and people who are having full-time job make is they treat their YouTube channel with little or less attention. If you're a serious business owner, you feel pained when you miss the opportunity to close a business deal. You also do not feel alright when things that will potentially kill your business keep happening around your business. So what it means is when it comes to YouTube, it is not anything different. You would have to treat your YouTube channel as important as you treat your business. So what you have to understand is that YouTube is equally a high value business that has the potential of making you millions of dollars. And this could only be possible when you make out time to cut out all other distractions to focus on it. Treat your YouTube channel as part of your business schedule and not something you do at your leisure time. When you separate your business from YouTube and you treat your YouTube channel as something you do for fun, you seem to miss out on all the incredible benefit that comes with having a YouTube channel. So you need to take YouTube seriously and make content creation a non-negotiable part of your business activities. So basically, you need to set goals and you need to have a game plan. A game plan that will help you achieve the goals you have set. And in setting your goals, you have to make sure that you set goals that are realistic. And these are goals that you can conveniently go by to achieve. Remember, you are a busy person and you don't have time. So you wouldn't have the time and luxury to be pushing out content like how the other people who are doing YouTube full-time push out content. You would have to start small by setting a goal to making one video a week. And if you can consistently do this for like a year, as time goes on, you are going to realize that your videos are tremendously improving. And as your videos keep improving, you are going to realize that your YouTube channel is going to experience a great amount of success. To schedule your content effectively, you have to make sure you get a day that you can dedicate at least 5 hours of your time to content creation. And even with the 5 hours, in most of the times, it's going to take you more than 5 hours to get a video done. And even if you find yourself in a situation where it's taking you more than 5 hours to get a video done, you probably have done most parts of the work and what is left to be done will not be much to finish. Once you pick a day that you set aside as your content creation day, you are going to make sure that you cut out on anything that will distract your content creation process. And what that means is you are not going to receive calls, you are not also going to attend to messages. Everything you are going to do is just solidly going to be related to your content creation. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to spend 30 minutes in finding at least 10 video ideas or inspirations that you are going to make videos about. Once you are done finding the videos, you're going to spend another 30 minutes in writing the titles and descriptions to all these videos. And at this time, you spent 1 hour in finding your video ideas and in writing your titles and descriptions to those videos. So you are basically left with 4 hours. The next thing you're going to do is you are going to dedicate 2 hours of your time in writing at least 2 video scripts from those 10 videos. And I'm saying 2 hours because you are not going to write a detailed professional script. You're just going to make a list of bullet points on the things you're going to talk about in the video. This way you are able to flow naturally without having to feel like you are compelled to present like a newscaster. Bullet pointing your script will also save you a great amount of time from having to memorize your script. And at this stage, if you realize that you are making videos on a topic that you are well knowledgeable on, or you are making videos on a topic you have more practical experience with, you realize that you might even get more than 2 scripts within the 2-hour period, provided you are sticking with the method of bullet pointing the topics you'll be talking about in your script. So once you are done with this, you are going to use the rest of the 2 hours to film your videos like I'm doing. And there are instances where you would use more than 2 hours to film your videos. And if you find yourself in a situation where you have only shot 1 video, that's okay. That's an achievement. What it means is that in your next session, you wouldn't need to use the whole 5 hours in looking for video ideas, writing descriptions, writing titles, and even writing scripts. I mean, you wouldn't have to go through all this process all over again. You just have to continue from where you ended. And as of now, I know you'll be wondering why I haven't talked about editing your videos and creating thumbnails for your videos. Video editing and creating thumbnails for your videos is a stage that takes a chunk percentage of your time in the content creation process. And remember, you are a busy person and you already do not have enough time for yourself. So you are going to dedicate some funds to outsource these 2 stages by finding a video editor and a thumbnail designer to take care of these 2 aspects. And at this point, I can promise you that your YouTube channel will certainly grow to become a business on its own. So you should be willing to invest in it as well. And if you are someone that does not have the funds or resource to outsource the editing, then you have to stick with simple talking head videos where you do not require fancy editing and special effects. So once you are done recording your videos, you can just get one of the free editing softwares to remove the long pauses and also take care of some of the mistakes you were doing whilst making the video. And once you are done editing your videos, you can just use a free thumbnail maker like Canva to edit your thumbnail for your video. So now that you have finished creating your videos within the 5 hours dedicated time, your goal shouldn't be about perfection. And I know you might want your videos to be high quality and perfect as the big or successful YouTubers. What you have to understand is that the big or successful YouTubers have a whole team they work with, and they spend more than 5 hours in getting their videos done. So if you want your videos to look as high quality and perfect as their videos, then you might never get a video done. Another thing you should also understand is that your goal shouldn't be about gaining thousands and millions of views to blowing up your channel. Your goal should be about building a loyal community of subscribers who will be willing to do business with you in the long run. So what you have to understand is that this will certainly take time and it's not going to happen overnight. So you have to be patient and consistent. Thank you for watching, and feel free to let me know if this video was of value to you in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, then you certainly will enjoy this video as well. See you in that video.